Welcome to the Teaching Garden at Woodward Park, a program of Tulsa Garden Center and a proud All-America Selections display garden. The Teaching Garden is a 3-acre space designed to teach and inspire the public about all things green. I'm Monty the Garden Cat. Come with me to see more of the garden. One of my favorite display areas is the butterfly garden. It's one of the first areas people see when they arrive, so it has to be beautiful. This year, we are proudly displaying coleus, celosia, petunias, and even peppers. Who knew those could be so spicy? Yikes. Let's go inside the gates and see more. I love exploring the boulder garden because there's so many fun things to climb through and around and over. There are some brand new collocations that everyone's been admiring this year. Personally, I like to nap under them in the hot summer afternoons. Oh, and look over here. The koi fish seem to be extra hungry today. So needy, those ones. I think they're just jealous that more kids come to see me than them. And the flowers too, of course. Where to next? Gosh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I know. Let's go where we have the most All-America Selections plants. The vegetable garden. We get so many questions about how to grow vegetables in our hot Oklahoma summers. Just how do you do it, they ask. Easy enough with these plants, tested to be tried and true through the All-America Selections program. We have leafy greens, peppers, tomatoes, gourds, and so much more. Another great napping spot. Come to the Teaching Garden at Woodward Park. There's always something new to learn. Gosh, I sure do love All-America Selections. Thanks for coming along with me today. Be sure to come back soon and see me.